Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Thomas Levy, MD, JD. Dr. Levy has introduced us to vitamin C, supplementation, and as well as hydrogen peroxide. And there have been so many different ways that he has contributed to my health and the health of others. But today we talked about something that you will not be able to see in YouTube or Facebook. If you look at the link below, you will have the link to the entire class today. We talked about long hauler, and we talked about mold and how mold can make people get sicker. So even if you, like, there's some people that get a virus and they recuperate right away, but there are others that don't. There could be other co-infections. And so I want to encourage you to go to the M-Cube Detox Experience. It's something that we're putting together. We start next week. Dr. Thomas Levy is going to be a speaker in the Tuesday night. So from September 27th all the way to December 13th, every Tuesday night, we're going to have a guest speaker. We're going to come together. We're going to do a 10-week detox during that time. We're going to be able to help and support one another. Dr. Thomas Levy will be speaking to us on October 4th, and he will be speaking on hydrogen peroxide and how it will alleviate mold conditions. And so the link is below as well. Share this with your friends. If people are not getting better, it could be a co-infection such as mold, metals that have weakened your body. And so it's time to start getting those cleared out. Check out today's conversation only on BitChute and Odyssey, and you will see the total link. Just click on the link below. Once they're uploaded, I will share this video and it'll have all the information that you need. So don't text me and say, hey, where can I find the entire class? Well, the entire class is, if you look at the link below, there's a link. It says to watch the entire class, you just click on this link, or on BitChute and on Odyssey, click. But if you want to just go to my Odyssey or my BitChute account, there's the link for that too. Now, I want to encourage you to go to whenyounneedafriend.com. I had mentioned today that my website was stripped back to August, and there's a lot of work that we've done that has been deleted. So we're working on that right now. We're also working on making sure that everybody is protected during the M-Cube Detox Experience. And so we had to take care of that as well. So all of you who are going to join us, you'll get all that information. You'll know what I'm talking about. But please go to whenyounneedafriend.com, subscribe, like, and follow all that you can. Share this video, let people know that we are sharing truths that are being suppressed right now. And even if you don't believe it, it's good for you to even hear what other people are saying and research it and see if it makes sense to you. But that's how it started with me. I became curious instead of critical as to other ways that I can reverse conditions in my body. So if I can open my mind, I'm encouraging all of you to be curious and not critical as well. And I hope that you decide to join us, whether it's for the body code on November 5th and 6th, the M-Cube Detox Experience, mold, metals, microbes, from treatment to recovery with support. We're going to have a video. We're going to video record everything, all the Tuesday night courses. So if you can't be with us between 7 and 9 p.m. Eastern time, you can watch the video at your own leisure. We're here to learn and grow together. This is personal for me. Mold is personal for me now. And I hope that we can all grow and heal together. Well, I can't even say heal. I didn't say heal. I mean, reverse conditions together. I may have to take that out, but you know, who knows what they'll do. Anyway, it's time. It's time to take our health back, be our own medical detectives. Don't do this alone. You need to have some support, support of your practitioner, support of the group, support of information. And I hope that we will see you on September 27th. Just go to whenyounneedafriend.com and click on the pop-up to grow with us. And remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyounneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah.